Protein pancakes in 3 minutes.
Measure out about 60 grams of self-rising flour and about 10 grams of whey protein. Here's what you're going to need as well.
About a tablespoon of melted butter, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a cup of milk warmed up in the microwave, 1 teaspoon of brown or white sugar, salt to taste, 1 large egg, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Start by mixing all of the dry ingredients, about half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add the cinnamon, I'm going to add the baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of brown sugar. Mix it. Now we add the wet ingredients. First add the large egg. Add the knob of butter. And start adding the milk, gradually. That looks like the right consistency. Large pan. The knob of butter for cooking.
Blueberries.
Let that cook on a low heat for about 2 minutes, after which we're going to check. Make sure you're cooking on a low heat. So we're going to flip them over. Let those cook for about 2 minutes before we check again. Turn off the gas and serve onto the plate. Enjoy!
Please like and subscribe below if you'd like to see more of these videos.